12:15 steam train. We're off to, where are we off to? Paynton. Paynton. Choo choo!
Where are you going?
Yeah! Rock climbing champion!
And here he goes, the international rock jumping champion, Rory McRae. Yes! We'll have to mark him down slightly there for the slip at the end. It's a 9.9 for Rory, nearly a 10. Look at all those fish.
Look at all the fishies!
Hello. Yeah, there you go.
Thank you. I'm taking pictures of you. Say hello.
What noise does the steam train make?
Cheese.
G'day, mate.
Hey guys, it's Joshua Bray here. Open vlog.
Hey guys, it's Jay Bray with a brand new rap. Here we go. Feel the flow.
We're gonna go jump in there now. It looks quite shallow, but that's what I like.
It's dudes and dudettes, what's going on? Like and subscribe. You know you want to. Slam that like button. Press that subscribe to see more content of this this epic footage. Yeah. You know, leave a comment. Let me know what you like.
You forgot the bell icon. You have to click that.
Press the bell, click the bell, all of it. All the bells and whistles, you know.